Hello everybody and welcome to wildlife and nature vlog number 9. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, I don't see many hills, I don't see any vast expanses of water in the form of lakes. And you'd be right. Because being the scatterbrain that I am, I told you that the next video you watch, there's a peacock butterfly on the path then. The next video that you watch will be from the Lake District, because I was going away on holiday on the Friday. It's actually Wednesday today, so Friday I'm going away on holiday to the Lake District. I've packed, got all my gear together, all my snorkeling gear, kayaking gear, paddleboard, everything. I've been and done the shopping for food, got all that together. Went to collect my kids this morning. When they got in the car, I said, right, who's excited about going away on holiday Friday? And I just got blank looks. To which my daughter said, Dad, it's next Friday. So, the video you expected to see, with maybe that being a lake, is not. Still in West Lancashire. So you're going to get at least one bonus video before I go away, maybe two. Shall we go? Right, let's see what's on offer today. It won't be water, won't be a lake, won't be snorkeling, won't be paddleboarding, won't be kayaking. But I'm sure we'll find something. I do apologise. It's my age. I don't know if you can see that in the middle there. What looks like a black butterfly. And I thought, is it a butterfly? Or is it just a feather or something? I didn't want to get too close to scare it away if it was a butterfly. But it's just opened its wings. And I've just learnt something. Because that, to me, could quite easily blend into the background. As soon as it opens its wings, it's unmistakable as to what it is. Let's see if we can get a bit closer and get it to open its wings. Does anybody know what it is? It's not going to do it now, is it? As I'm stood here filming this, there's one to my left as well, with its wings wide open. Come on, open your wings. Oh, oh. What's it going to be? Place your bets. There you go. It's a peacock. It's a really good day for butterflies today. I've seen loads. I've seen the peacock, skippers, speckled woods, meadow browns, damselflies. Yeah, it's a really lovely, nice warm day. Sun's not too bright. Of course I'm sweating again with my jacket on. But yeah, it's really good for butterflies today, which I'm sure I wouldn't have got if I was in the Lake District. So I'm glad I stayed now. Here's another wild edible that appears in the Food for Free book. I did a video on this about a year ago, and I made some sloe gin. Very nice. If you want to see the video on that and how I made it, then I'll put a link at the end of this video. This meadow is proving to be a great source of fruit. We've got the blackberries, we've got the raspberries, apples, and now sloes. So at least I'll never go hungry when I'm out doing my walks. Not at the moment anyway. I've already had some blackberries. It's another gorgeous day today. You can see I've come out without my jacket. I've learnt my lesson. It's really warm this afternoon. Loads of butterflies again, and I have been following a dragonfly around the meadow, but just not close enough to get any footage of it. But it's definitely out there. It's brown in colour. The name's gone again, but yeah, it's quite a large dragonfly and it's brown in colour. I'll have to check that when I get back. Oh, Red Admiral down there. But yeah, loads of peacock butterflies out this afternoon. I went out earlier today and found a lot more fungi. I'm starting to notice that different types of fungi prefer different habitats. There's the one, the blusher, that appears in Ramsden wood. There's a lot of that in Ramsden wood, and then in woodpecker wood there's a lot of the other fungi which I've yet to identify, but that obviously likes to grow on fallen logs, dead logs, because that's exactly where I've been finding it. But there's a lot of that in woodpecker wood. So two different fungi in two different locations. So they definitely prefer certain habitats. And I can also confirm that squirrels do like fungi, because earlier on I spotted a squirrel with a big piece of fungi in its mouth, and it just ran up a tree, and as I approached the base of the tree there was a fungi down at the bottom that had all been nibbled. So they do indeed like fungi. A bit of an update on the buzzard family. They're spending a lot more time away from the nest now. In fact, most of the time is away from the nest. There's only two in and around the nest area. The other three have obviously gone their separate ways. But there are two still in woodpecker wood, just drifting around, landing from tree to tree. And when I'm sat in my lounge and I've got my balcony door open, I can hear them overhead, and they'll fly straight over the top of my apartment and into this sort of area, which is, as the crow flies, or as the buzzard flies, is a relatively short distance for them. So I have heard them in these woods as well. Whether it's the same ones, I don't know, but it could well be. But yeah, they're obviously doing well, so that's good. Despite the warm weather and sunshine that we've had this afternoon, we have still had a lot of rain, which has made it really muddy underfoot in certain areas of the woodland. So it can be a bit dodgy sometimes working your way through. When I set off out to do these videos, I sometimes don't really know what the content of the video is going to be, but nature and wildlife often comes up with the goods and just writes its own script. Like in this episode, I wasn't quite sure what I was going to do because I was planning on going on holiday, but the butterflies and the fungi have come good and given us some content to look at. So yeah, nature never lets us down. I've been out with the camera, the new camera, quite a few times now, and I am starting to learn that some birds are a lot more difficult to photograph than others, and one of those is in woodpecker wood. I've seen it on numerous occasions, more than one, sometimes 2, 3, could be a family in this particular tree. Very small, but can I get a photograph of it? No. It's the goldcrest. There's a goldcrest or a family of goldcrests in woodpecker wood, and I just cannot get them to sit still for long enough or get close enough. So that's a challenge I need to try and overcome. So when you see a photograph of the goldcrest on one of these videos, you'll know that I've worked hard to get it. I just want to say a quick thank you to all those that have subscribed recently. Numbers are creeping up now. We're into the 11,500 range now, so numbers are creeping up, but there's still a lot of you who are watching the videos who haven't yet subscribed. The numbers are quite amazing, really. 95% of people who watch the videos aren't subscribed. I find that really hard to believe, but that's what the analytics are coming up with. So there's still a lot of you out there. You just need to click on that little button down below. It really does mean a lot, and I really would appreciate it. Thank you. Well, I hope you enjoyed that unplanned episode. If you did, then please give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel or you haven't yet subscribed, then please click on the icon here or the one down below, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Who knows, we might be able to get another bonus episode in before we head off to the lakes. But until then, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.